Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI Garage, and today we're talking about your motorcycle heat shield liners. This is great. Heat from the exhaust system can become uncomfortable. You know this, especially riding in slow traffic. And the issue really comes into focus if you got shorter legs, you're kind of going back and forth. Well, heat shield liners help prevent burns when stopping and putting your feet on the ground. So DEI's heat shield liner kit insulates the outer heat shield without disturbing the looks of the bike. Now, each piece is CNC precision cut to fit in between the exhaust pipe and the heat shield itself. So this is going to block the heat transfer, lower the surface temperatures of the outer shield. It's easy to install. There's no permanent modifications you need to do. It's a dual layer construction. You got aluminum and our proprietary Dura 2000 insulating material. Over a 60% reduction in heat on the factory shield. It's durable, it's long lasting, no adhesives, no smoke, no odor. And it's available for stock and popular aftermarket pipes. The motorcycle heat shield liners, they're precision cut, and you can only get them at designengineering.com.